In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to change skins in Marvel Rivals. Now if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Changing skins or costumes is really easy. For that we just need to tap on heroes section from top bar. Once we tap on it, then it will show you all of the heroes in Marvel Rivals. I want to change skin of Iron Man. So for that I'll simply select him. Then you can skip the animation. And now all we need to do is click on cosmetic tab, and then it will show you all of the skins available for the superhero. As you can see, I can simply tap on the skin and then the skin will be shown on your screen. I can simply select this skin as well. Now if you want to acquire the skin, tap on the acquire from here, and once we tap on it, then it will show you the animation, and then we can simply acquire this skin by using our units. So 1600 units will be required to use this skin. You can simply tap here and then get the units, and you can simply use the skin in your Marvel Rivals. Now this is the process. Now if I was a big help, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. For now, thanks for watching.